Meaning of exquisitely.
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 Exquisitely. Exquisitely means something done with extreme care, precision, and attention to detail, resulting in a product or experience that is of exceptional quality or beauty. When something is described as exquisitely crafted, it implies that the maker has put in a great deal of effort and skill to make sure every aspect of the object is perfect. Something can also be exquisitely beautiful, indicating that its aesthetic qualities are particularly stunning. Overall, exquisitely is a word used to describe something that is of the highest possible quality, created through meticulous attention to detail.